Hello students, welcome to MKG Online Study, an e-learning platform. In this video, we are going to learn about data communication model. Data communication is basically exchange of data between two devices through some form of transmission medium such as coaxial cable. The transfer of data takes place over a computer network. So we required some communication model to transfer that data. This is the simplified data communication model. Suppose we are having this input information, that is input device, in which we are having source which is sending text, and transmitter. So basically the input device and transmitter are the component of personal computer. The user of this PC wants to send some data or message to another PC. Then the message M will be in the form of digital bit stream labeled as input data. You can see here this data, that is digital bit stream. The sender PC is connected to some transmission medium. You can see here there is transmission system such as local network or a telephone line by an input-output device transmitter such as local network transceiver or a modem. The input data are transferred to the transmitter as a sequence of voltage shifts that present bits on a transmission cable or communication bus. The transmitter is connected directly to the medium and convert the incoming digital bits or data or stream into an analog signal. You can see here suitable for transmission over communication cable. So here input devices is having digital bit stream and then it is converted into analog signal. You can see here analog signal. The analog transmitted signal travel on the transmission medium and is subjected to a number of impairments before reaching the receiver. Due to these impairments, the received signal may be different from the transmitted signal. The receiver tries to estimate the original signal based on the distorted received signal and the knowledge of transmission medium. The sequence of digital bits it's produced at the output of the receiver. These bits are then sent to the destination, which is another PC. So here again receiver and destination you can say as output or you can say another PC. The signal M represents the output information which is presented to the user and can be seen on computer screen or printed using a printer. So this simplified data communication model is transmitting text from one PC or source to destination in the form of text only. In meanwhile, we are converting this text to digital bit stream, and before transmitting to the transmission line, this is converted into analog signal, then it is transmitted to analog transmission medium. This analog signal is transmitted to transmission medium. It may suffer some distortion, then that distortion is removed by the receiver and it is again converted into digital bit stream and it is passed on to the destination as a text. This is how the simplified data communication model works. Thank you for listening.